I invite you, if you're comfortable, to close your eyes. And let's, speaking of that God of spirit inside of us, that stir up the God within us, let's do that with just bringing our intention to our navel area, our wisdom, our order, our sacral, our intelligence that lies within, bringing our thoughts down from our mind, down through our heart, and into our solar plexus and just below our belly. Just bringing our intention there. And again, if you're comfortable, you can close your eyes. Allow yourself to be breathed in this moment, letting your breath calm you, guide you, soften you. And with each exhale, see if there's a place where you can let a little more air out of. That's it. Just allowing yourself to be present in this moment. Letting go of all of the thoughts that we thought, all of the thinks that we think. I'm going to invite us to do a couple of things here. One is to place one hand just on your forehead and give it a few taps, just waking up that understanding within us, that third eye, so to speak. Just allowing ourselves to be present there. And then take your other hand and place it on your heart. You can bring your other hand down that was touching your forehead. Put your other hand just on your heart space and give a few gentle presses into your heart space, waking up your understanding to that area, to that beautiful space of harmonization. And with your hand resting on your heart space, bring your other hand down to your belly and place it there and just give a few gentle nudges, connecting our understanding intelligence with our harmonization of love and our wisdom. Connecting the three fires. And gently, as you breathe in, bring gratitude into your attention. So find something you're grateful for right now in this moment, whatever it is. And as you breathe in that gratitude. Feel your belly rising and falling. Feel the energy of being grateful, of appreciating whatever it is you're appreciating right now. Just imagine with your power of imagination that this gratitude is the fuel. This gratitude is this beautiful pool of oil. It's in the base of the lamp of that enthusiasm that burns within you to live life, to be you, to love and appreciate. Just imagine that flame of enthusiasm, the God in you. That flame is being stirred up right now. It's being enlivened. You are the gift of life. You are the goodness of Godness. And as you breathe in that gratitude, each time you breathe in gratitude, filling yourself up, as you exhale, send warmth to the world, send appreciation to the world, to family, to community, whatever it is in your mind that pops in, just allow yourself to send that your attention of gratitude, of appreciation. Each breath filling you up, each exhale filling the world. A constant circulating supply. Now gently allow yourself to settle into this silence. You can put your hands down by your side or on your lap, resting. And let's spend a few moments in silence together. I'll let you know when it's time to come back. as you're ready, you can take a nice last deep breath. Let that go. Yeah. Open your eyes. Come back to this space. Yeah.